Good day, guys. It had to happen sooner or later. I just crashed my drone into a tree. Luckily, there was no catastrophic crash. It was from about 3 meters height. You see, this propeller is okay. This one is broken. These places, These two snap something is broken. This one, the blade is, I don't know if you can see this, it's cut open something. It crashed to the tree. And this propeller is the same, you see, big split in it. And the last one is the one that I think survived the most. It's only a small notch on the edge here. Let's see the footage from the drone when it hits the tree. The reason for the crash was because I have put my Samsung Galaxy tablet inside here and I have put it on mute, so I did not hear a sound when the woman told me the drone was empty for batteries and was returning to home. So keep your sound on the pad or tablet or telephone so you can hear the warnings. That's a good tip. But luckily, the drone is okay. Only the propeller that was broken. So now I ordered a new one in carbon from eBay. So in a few weeks they will show up, and I will maybe make a video to show you the new propellers in carbon. Nice to see you.